happy birthday. Thanks for being an incredible role model. Your passion and guidance motivate us daily. Happy birthday. Greetings by hand. Ayan, yan muna yung gift ko sa'yo. Pagpasensya mo na. Wish you more blessings.
Ay, balita ako mag-birthday na si Kap. Kaya gusto ko lang batiin si Kapitan ng PAM namin. Okay. Happy birthday, Kap. Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kap. Sana magtagal ka pa sa mundo para din magtagal ang batas ni Kap. And ingat ka palagi. Ingat ka sa akin. Magtagal sana kayo ng mahal kong si Jaja. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
So, ayun, happy. Ang pangin na mamamukha na to kasi nakalimang na talaga ako, nakalimang tik na ako talaga. Pero Kap, alam mo naman Kap kung gaano kaka-importante sa aming lahat Kap, no? So, happy birthday, Kapitan. And then, more birthdays to come. God bless as always, Kap. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sana lumago pa yung family na itinatayo mo. And then, maraming salamat sa palagi mong pag-iintindi sa amin. Kahit hindi na kami naiintindihan. Ay, ako pala. Sige, go.
Hi, Kap! Happy birthday! Wish you good health and hanggang pang 50th birthday mo na to. Bye!
Nautusan pa nga eh. Charot. Hindi, Kap, happy birthday. More birthday to come. Tapos, magbarik na ta. Ay, joke lang. Happy birthday, Kap. More birthday ko to come. Tapos, God bless always. And ingat palagi. Tapos, sa bagong mong age, good luck. Wala na tayo sa kalendaryo. Joke lang. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Bebe Kap, ng aking mahal na si Jaja Cutie. More blessing to comes and ingat lagi and sana mas tumagal pa yung pamilya natin. Hope you all the best in life, Kap. Mag-iingat and enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Kap! Mo!
Happy birthday, Kap Eman. More birthdays to come, more baby girls to come, more candles to blow, and sana tigilan mo na kakaburaot. At Happy New Year. Sana may paputukan ka.
Hey Kap, happy birthday. My wish and prayer for you is that whatever desire of your heart, may it happen according to the plans of the Lord. Ingat ka always, and thank you for being a good friend. Thank you for allowing me to be the ampon of your fam. And thank you for always asking or checking on me if I'm okay as well. So thank you so much. I appreciate you and your presence. Thank you and happy birthday again. God bless you. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Kapitan. Sana maging masaya ka ngayong birthday mo. Huwag ka man paka-stress. Enjoy mo lang. And also, thank you sa pagpapatambay sa pang-BR mo. At sa pag-mute sa akin kapag winabardagol kita. I-joke lang. Ayun. Thank you so much and happy birthday ulit. More bardugulal to come.
Hi BFF! Happy birthday. Hope you have more birthdays to come. God bless you always.
Ayun, happy birthday, Kapitan. Ang dami ng take na ginawa ko dito kasi hindi ko alam kung paano ko ma-perfect to. Pero hindi ko naman kailangan maging perfect kasi I'm imperfect person, charot. More birthdays to come and have a blast. Enjoy your day siguro and yun lang. Ang hirap magsalita pag di ka mabait.
Happy birthday sa pinaka-poging nila lang nakilala ko dito sa WePlay. Kap, thank you so much sa friendship and also sa lahat ng aral na dala-dala ko until now. Tinitreasure ko yung lahat. Wishing you all the best in life. So, dito lang ako palagi for you. Yun lang. God bless.
Hello, Kap. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you so much. Thank you for being a good leader sa family mo, no? And patuloy lang sa paglalakbay. Stay safe always and God bless.
Bigyan mo pa ako maraming deputies. Opa.
Hi, Kapitan. From Kinchugi family, binabati ka namin. Happy birthday. Sana mabuhay kang hanggang gusto mo. Gotcha.
Hello guys, what's up? Gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday sa Master Legendary ng WTS na si Kapitan. Ayan. More birthdays to come, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Wow! Sabay ko na rin yung Merry Christmas at Happy New Year. Siyempre, shoutout ko na rin yung Pamilya Batas. And it's me, Pinuno. Greetings from PKK Brown. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Yo Kap, happy birthday. Dagdagan na naman yung edad mo. So, yun, enjoy ka lang ngayong araw. Huwag ka magpapalasing kasi kapag nalasing ka, magbabasag ka na naman ng bote. Makakay ka pa naman, gago ka. So, yun, enjoy mo lang yung araw mo. And Merry Christmas. Yun, bye-bye.
Hi Cap, happiest birthday Cap. It's me, your old secretary, Usher. I just want to greet you a happy birthday Cap, and may God bless you always. More birthdays to come.
Hi everyone. This is Deputy Meow Meow, and I want to wish our Kapitan a happy birthday to you, Cap. You know that you're one of my OG friends here sa WePlay, and it's been a year, 1 year na tayong magkakaibigan dito, and we really know baka magtagal pa at maka-attend pa ako sa kasal mo, Char. Cam, thank you so much for always supporting me despite the issues, problems, ups and downs sa family. You stood up for us, you did not give up on us. So, I really wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and more blessings, Cap. Sana din yung love life ay magiging blessed and happy like me, Charot. Cap, sana din umamin ka din kapag spy ka, hindi naman dapat, Charot. Lalo na pag spy ako, Cap, wag mo akong bobotohin. So, thank you so much, Cap. I really love you, our friendship. I really appreciate you for everything, for fighting, and magmahalan lang tayong lahat. More blessings sa family. You're a blessing to us. You're a blessing to us, Cap. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Ayan, so happiest birthday, babe. Just enjoy your day. Yun, not everyone knows, pero bago official na naging tayo, sobrang dami na natin pinagdaanan together. Yeah, like, we're ups and downs, on and off, but look at us now, diba? We're happy, chill lang, ganon. And I'll always be proud na you fought for us. You fought for me. Pinaglaban mo tayo. Kaya, eto na tayo, diba? Going strong. So, I'll always be proud na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Sobrang namin nagmamahal sa'yo. You're such a charming and nice person. And you really deserve to be loved. And proud din ako na isa ako dun sa mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. At mamahalin ka pa. So, hindi ko malilimutan kung paano tayo nakakilala. Lagi tayo natatawa kapag nire-recall natin yon na randomly nagkasalubong lang tayo sa WTS kasi para tayong walang makalaro. Naglaro tayo mula gabi hanggang tanghali. Tapos nire-recruit mo na ako sa family, which is wala akong kaalam-alam sa mga pamilya na yun. Sinatgan mo ako. Kasi after natin maglaro, invite mo na ako sa VR mo. Tapos yun na. In-interview mo na ako mag-isa. In-orient mag-isa. And then the next thing I know, nasa batas na ako. And, syempre gusto ko rin naman. And, type mo kasi ako nun. Aminin mo. Type mo ako, kaya mo ako invite sa family.
Hindi, kidding aside. Inamin mo din naman sa akin talaga yun. Na ayaw mo na ako pakawalan. Eh! Pero yun nga, happiest birthday, babe. I will support you no matter what happens. Sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sa lahat ng nagpapasaya sa'yo. Lalong-lalo na tong batas. Mahal na mahal mo yung batas. Masaya ka dito. And kung saan ka masaya, dun din ako. So, just enjoy your day. Putukan na. Tayo, saka na tayo magputukan. Meron. So, hope to see you soon, babe. Yan lang. Have a good health and long life. Kasi, magagawa pa tayo ng lamig 2 anak. Joke lang. Happiest birthday. I love you so much. God bless you always. Bye-bye!